So Rene, you're the finer touch.
Yes.
The company's named after you.
So, my name is Rene, and I work for AFT, and I've been working for them for like a long time. You guys probably know me because I'm always working behind everybody probably. But well, now we're gonna show you like what we're doing right now, which is we painting this wall because they gonna do wallpaper on this one, and they wanted it to be prep and doing some primer and whatnot. But most of the part what we're doing as AFT, well, we covered the whole thing like you see, because you know we got like a lot of finished product in here, and we don't want nothing to get damaged, to get ruined. This is a grocery pass-through, and we trying to create a little door, a little window, whatever you guys want to call it, and that's what we're working on. Well, this piece we get it from the country guys, and basically it's just like a piece of board, and then we prepping it for, like I said, to get paint, to get finished.
And is this board gonna fit in here?
Yes. Yeah, see, this door is gonna go on this little window. So on the other side, we're gonna have a different opening, and then we're just gonna finish it here with some hinges. That way, I mean, we can open this. We can operate it easy, but we're working on it. Let me show you something else that we're working on right now, which is, we're working on this hood. Like I said, like our priority as AFT crew, we're trying to protect everything we had because everything is finished. And you know, like as AFT, we gotta take care to every single thing. And this is the process that we're doing. So this hood is gonna be plastered on. So, but the plaster crew, they require to be primed first. So that's what we're working on right now, and then we're just gonna keep it going. I'm the guy who's working on the final punch list on these houses, with helping like pretty much everyone, every single superintendent. Like you guys know, like Paul, like Ryan, Neo in here on this house, and pretty much we taking care to every single thing in here, like every single details. What really finer touches, like looking for every single details to make it perfect. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I think I will see you in another video.